Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can permanently delete your Discord account. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to permanently delete your Discord account, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Discord. After opening your Discord, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, go to Settings. And here in Settings, you will then be able to see the account option, which is where you can manage your Discord account, and this is also where you can delete it, so just go and tap it. And once you're on the account section, just scroll down to the bottom and then you will now be able to see the delete account option. Just tap it to permanently delete your Discord account. And then you will need to enter your Discord password to confirm that it's really you who's trying to delete your account, so just enter it. And once you're done entering your password, you can now tap OK to completely delete your Discord account. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Discord account will now be permanently deleted. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.